Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Jantek Industries product showroom. My name is Kellen, and today we're going to be taking a look at some specialty windows that we design, manufacture, and install here for you at Jantek Industries. So behind me, I have an example of a bay window, then I have an example of a 5-light bow window. So what I want to do is just talk about the frame makeup, what they're made out of, what we can do, and we'll look at the functionality of some, and then we'll go over, its energy efficiency and how it's built, made, and installed. All right, so first we're going to take a look at the bay window. So the way these are usually made up, you have a large picture window in the center, non-operable window, and it's flanked on either side by operable windows. So here in the showroom, what we have on display are two examples of double hung windows. Again, this is from the exterior, this is from the outside of your home, this is what it would look like, but you can also put different windows in, such as casements, pretty much whatever would fit and which you would prefer, but these are the ones that we see most commonly. Now, again, you can get these in double or triple pane glass. The frame is all made out of wood, solid wood, and it's clad with vinyl. And whatever style of window you choose from Jantek, we can put in the openings. Now, here we have a bow window. Now, the difference with a bow and a bay is pretty much the shape and the amount of windows in the frame. So this is a bow window, this is a 5-light bow, and what's nice about it is it's an example of an unfinished one. So you can see the process in which it gets installed and what it's made and what the interior of the frame is like. So let's take a look here. Again, you have vinyl clad. It can become in any color that you'd like, and it's behind solid wood, either oak or birch for the frame. Okay, and the windows would go into the openings. We can include the carpentry for the roof and all of the shingles so that your new bay or bow window has an overhang, and that comes with the installation that we can do. And again, it's solid. I have an example of a crosscut here so you can see from the exterior, but let's switch it around here so you can see the side here. This is solid marine plywood. You have insulated seat board, and all of the exposed is easy and really nice looking. And again, it's not just a hollow vinyl frame, it is vinyl clad, but the frame itself is solid wood for added strength and durability. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. This has been our in-depth look at some of the specialty windows again, bay frames and bow frames. So for more information on bays and bow windows or any other product that we design, manufacture, and install here at Jantek Industries, please go on our website, that's jantekwindows.com, or feel free at any time to come into the showroom and speak with us in person. And always remember to save energy and capture comfort. Again, my name is Kellen. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time. Take care.